You know, and it's just this time of the year, we have this pattern that's in place that we're going to see another round of rain to strong to severe storms late tonight. Now, the timing switched just a little bit. I do want to point out, and some of you might be looking to the sky saying, hey, we have something that's developed, and we do have some elevated storms. Nothing is severe, but for the cleanup efforts, want you to be aware that we might have some lightning around. We do have right now 81 degrees at Love Field, but look at the first alert radar. It is getting active for us, but again, nothing is severe from Cook County. As you can see, we do have some of these isolated storms that have popped up, elevated there, not a lot of wind gusts with them, stretching down through the colony, down to near Carrollton, where we have cleanup happening from the storms this morning that were severe, down to the east sides of 635, then stretching to just near Kaufman to the southwest of Terrell. So we're dealing with these elevated storms that have popped up on that leftover boundary from earlier today. More of a concern, the dry line that has developed out to the west. You see some supercell storms have developed, and with those dealing with some strong winds and even a tornado warning further down towards the south and west, where we have severe thunderstorm watches in effect and a tornado watch in effect. Those storms are going to make their way from west to east as we go into the evening hours, but this is what we saw this morning, and you can see this blue color right there indicating very strong winds towards our radar. We had hurricane force winds up to near gusts of 77 miles per hour. Between the 5:30 to 5:50 time frame. From there, we turn our attention a little bit towards the 6 o'clock time frame, and you can see that's where we started to see that tornado warning develop just near Garland as it moved its way to the southeast. I'm going to be able to do a little bit more analysis of that as we come up with our hour-long newscast here on CBS News Texas at 5 o'clock. But look at some of the storm reports of our maximum wind gusts. Love Field, 75-mile-per-hour winds to 68 in Denton, 75 miles per hour. That is Category 1 hurricane strength. So what's happening tonight? Another round of storms, 9 p.m. to about 5 o'clock in the morning, so I want you to stay alert. Find ways to get warnings again. We will be here through the night, again, to make sure that you and your family are informed and remain safe. Isolated tornado cannot be ruled out, but damaging winds on this dry line, storm action that's going to be moving its way west-east are the threat. So slight risk of severe storms out to the west. First Alert Futurecast picks up on that activity, and you can see here we are, 9 to near 10 o'clock to near midnight, crossing parts of the 35 corridor, shifting their way to the east by 2, 3, 4 in the morning, making their way eastward. I want to point out, going into Thursday night into Friday morning, slight risk of severe storms in our northwest sides of North Texas. We have another alert in place for, again, a line of the storms moving in, large hail, damaging winds, the main threat. Timing still a little bit uncertain, but you can see on the First Alert Futurecast, 9 to near about midnight, those storms moving their way on in. There's a whole lot to get through. As you take a look at the First Alert 7-day forecast, we have storms every single day in the forecast. Right now, just the alert for Thursday, that coverage 50% up to 70%. Then we see morning storms on Friday into the weekend. Ken and Karen, Saturday night into Sunday, we might have another round of strong to severe storms. So just stay weather aware as we go through the next 7 days.